Dear Periods, the Happy Eaten Wine, and today we are going to be talking about ricin. Just to let you know that for this video, this is just the slideshow. There's no action, there's no whatsoever. Just the slideshow. No action, no actual PSA and whatsoever, okay? I just want to let you know that I apologize, but there is no actual subtitle track for this, so you're just gonna have to use the YouTube auto generate subtitles thing, okay? So I'm sorry viewers, but you're just gonna have to use the YouTube auto generator subtitle thing feature or whatever you call that, okay? Because there's no actual subtitles for this. I didn't write one for this video. Okay, here we go. First of all, ricin is a chemical poison commonly found in castor bean, and it is one of the deadliest natural poisons. So you can see this is the plant, and then ricin is commonly found in this plant, I'm guessing. Yeah, that's pretty much right. And this is where it's commonly found. It is estimated to be about 6,000 times more poisonous than cyanide and 12,000 times more poisonous than rattlesnake venom. So if you blow into the plant, the chemicals are enough to kill everyone in the room. Wow, that's a lot. Ricin should not be ingested or inhaled. About 4 beans can kill an adult. Wow, that is out of the blue. Right? It's out of the blue. Huh? Anyways, you can see 6,000 times more fires than cyanide, and there's 4 beans to kill an adult. You can see here. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Let's move on. The symptoms of breathing ricin is that after a few hours of inhaling, what? Wait, no, excuse me. I'm saying the wrong thing. Accidental exposure to ricin is not likely. However, it can happen if you chew or swallow the castor beans. People can also make it into a poison on purpose. They can process the ricin into a powder, a mist, or a pellet. Effects of ricin depends on how it gets into the body. It can be breathed in, swallowed, or injected. Currently, there is no curing for ricin poisoning. So here is the ricin right here from BBC News, and then here is the toxins of the beans. See, look, you can see the information here. This is exposures. The symptoms, now I'm on the right track. The symptoms of, sorry guys, I just got a little mixed up, whoopsie woo, excuse me for that. Anyways, the symptoms of breathing ricin is that after a few hours of inhaling significant amounts of ricin, you may develop difficulty breathing, fever, cough, nausea, and tightness in the chest. Swallowing ricin can also cause vomiting and diarrhea. Eventually, you will most likely die. That's right, you're gonna most likely die. The way it works is by stopping the body from making proteins. Without proteins, the body cannot function normally and causes problems with muscles, nerves, and making energy, etc., etc., etc. So here's a poop emoji, here's the vomiting emoji, and then here's a person coughing, and here's the symptoms right here. And this slide is titled Symptoms. Okay, here we go. The shape and bonding type of ricin are very strong, as you may know. So to explain the bonding type of this molecule is that even though a hydrogen bond is polar covalent, the whole molecule would be nonpolar because the hydrogen bonds are mixed everywhere. So one side is not completely positive or completely negative, okay? The large molecule is not polar. Ricin is a large molecule. In fact, it is actually a protein that is made up of a chain of amino acids. So I cannot explain it too much in detail. I'm so sorry. But anyways, let's move on. When it is a vapor or added to food, you cannot see it, taste it, or smell it. That's right, you cannot see it, taste it, or smell it. You cannot. It is able to pass through the brain blood barrier, so it is nonpolar. Oops, I went too fast. Haha. Anyways, this is some weird squiggly line thing. I don't know how to explain it. And then here's the how you draw it with the Lewis dot structure with the lines, I'm guessing. Well, yeah, I think I might be right. I'm not really so sure. I'm not a scientist, but yeah. And then here's the hydrogen bonding right here. Alright, next. Now we can move on. Sorry guys, I just went too fast. I don't know what's going on with my mind right now, but my mind just wants to like move. I don't know why my right now, but I do apologize, like I said. Yeah, I do apologize. Anyways, I think we are ready for this slide. Here we go. The polarity and chemical reactions of ricin is that it works by entering cells and inhabiting proteins synthesis by directing damage to ribosomes, preventing them from producing necessary proteins, which ultimately leads to cell death. This occurs through a chemical reaction where ricin active site cleaves a specific adenine residue on the ribonyl RNA, effective disabling the ribonyl and halting protein production within the cell. Sorry for my terrible pronunciation, but here's a picture that I don't really know how to explain. And then this is polarity and chemical reactions, and then here's some information. But like I said, I am 100% sorry for the terrible pronunciation. You know, I just sometimes pronounce words wrong. Just letting you know, okay? I'm an average English speaker, so I'm not 100% good with English. I'm just an average English speaker, you know. Maybe you guys speak better English than I can speak yet. Yeah, you might be right. Okay. Okay. This is the credits. This is where I found all the information, and then here is the CDC. I got these things from these websites, and that's about it for this PSA video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell because it will really help me if you do these steps. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Adios!